Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a 1-month braces update, and I'm also going to be showing you guys a few products that I have been using that I have been loving for my braces. So today makes a month that I had my braces, and I can say like I'm so happy with my braces. I still can't believe I have braces, but I've gotten used to them and I'm really happy with them, and the progress that my braces have made over the past month, like literally 30 days, has just been like crazy. Like the dentist told me that they were going to change pretty quick, but I was just like whatever, but yet you tell me I need 18 months. But these bottom teeth, I'm going to put up a picture of what they look like before. These are like getting in line, like look in there. You see those? Like those two teeth were like one of the insecurities why I got my braces. They're like in line now, like they're not rabbit teeth. I used to call them like little rabbit teeth at the bottom, because again, like I mentioned in my last video, from my wisdom teeth like pushing them, they were like basically like lifting up and they were a lot higher than my other teeth. So now look at them, they're in place, and I'm just really happy about it, you guys. Even my coworker was just like you look different already, like your teeth look different already. And I'm just like, no, like literally, you know how people be trying to tell you like, oh girl, it's like you're losing weight, but you know in the back of your head, like you can't really tell me losing weight because I really ain't lost no weight. But like no, like I can see that my teeth look different. I'm really happy with them, you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much how it's been going so far. What else? Oh, as far as me chewing and stuff, I mentioned in my first video that I was having an issue with chewing. I was just like, I can't chew. Like I've just been like gumming everything. Y'all, I have been chewing it up. Like the one day I was in the kitchen, I was eating, and Ty looked at me and he was like, he's like, look at you chewing. I was like, dude, like I am chewing. Like, because at first, like the first like 2 weeks, I didn't chew anything. Like I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so skinny. Not that I was gonna be a little mad at that, but I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna be so skinny, I can't eat anything. And then out of nowhere, before you turn around, I was eating chips, cookies, all kinds of hard stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty much used to my braces now, and it's literally only been a month. And then I was talking to my friend Muda because she had braces, and she was like, girl, don't get used to using the wax, because my cheeks, you guys, my cheeks have like sores on them. I don't know what's going on with them, but they don't hurt. But at first it used to irritate the mess out of me with the wire poke me in my cheeks, but now I'm like used to it. Like sometimes it gets stuck, I'll feel it, the wire gets stuck on my cheek, and I'll just move it, and it's just like normal to me now. It's so crazy. So yeah, she was saying like, don't get used to putting the wax in there, like your cheeks, or let it get used to like, you know, something being there. So I haven't been using my wax, and honestly I don't even need it. Like if I do get poked in the cheeks or something, it's not a big deal. It doesn't really hurt. It's just a part of the process. I don't know. I just feel so much more confident with my braces. The first video I had, you guys saw that I was talking about how I can't eat, which is weird. But now I just feel like they're just a part of me now. I don't know. It's so weird. It's only been a month, but I'm really happy with the progress. I see the difference already. The only thing I'm kind of just like with, which my friend Muda, she did warn me about, is that she said I want to go through like the ugly tooth phase. I feel like I'm getting a gap between like a few of my teeth. I know it's a part of the process, but there's like a gap right here. It's small, but that wasn't there when I first, you know, before I got my braces. But I know it's part of the process. I know it's not going to be there when I get my braces off, and I'm just like, is that a gap? Because like, listen, I don't got time for that. But I did notice that there is like a couple of these teeth, there's like spacing in between them, which fine, like it's a part of the process. But I guess that's that ugly tooth phase that she was telling me about. But so far so good, you guys. I do not regret my decision to get my braces at all. Again, my dentist did say I have 18 months with them, but I'm thinking when I go back, she's gonna be like, girl, 12 months. Well, it's a guy, but he gonna be like 12 months and you can take him off. That's what I'm praying for. But if it is 18 months, whatever, because I know like when I take these off, my smile is gonna be bomb, you guys. Like it's gonna be so bomb, and I'm just so happy. Okay, so you guys know I'm extra, so as soon as I got my braces, I did go out and pick up a few things. One of the things one of my subscribers recommended, so I picked that up. So yeah, I think it's like 4 things, so I'll just show you guys what I've been liking for my braces so far. Okay, so firstly, your girl had to pick up a new toothbrush, and it does light up. I don't know if you can see that, but this is the toothbrush and the heads are in here, and it lights up because it sanitizes them. Let me get the box. Okay, so this is the toothbrush that I got. It's by, okay, it's dusty. Oh, it's dusty. I just dust under there. This room, I'm telling you, me doing my nails, there's like dust and freaking particles everywhere from that e-file. Smile Bright store, I believe. This is what the box looked like. It says UV sanitizer. I did get it from TJ Maxx and it was $39.99. Electric toothbrush, of course. Has a sanitizer, 40,000 strokes per minute, 3 different brush molds, which I will show you guys in a second, a 2-minute timer, 2 weeks of power, so I don't have to keep it charged. If I don't charge it, it'll stay charged for 2 weeks, and then it has a 1-year warranty. So this is what it looks like, and this is the brush. So I ended up getting a new brush because I did go get my teeth cleaned after I got my braces in. And she did recommend that I get an electric toothbrush. So I ended up picking this one up, and it comes like this. And again, there's 3 brush heads. So if you did want to share with your boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever, you could, because there's 3 different brush heads. But these 3 brush heads are for me. But anywho, yeah, I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like. And you just take the brush head. Again, you could take it off, put it in there, and then it sanitizes it with the little light. This is a light right here. Close it. And it comes on once you close it. Okay, so you just take the brush head and you press and you push it on, and this is what it looks like. It's not a spin brush. I don't know how to describe it, but it doesn't spin. It's like, I don't know, vibrating brush. I don't know. It's just electric, but it has like a clean, so let me turn it on. You hear it? It's still wet from this morning. So it has a clean one, a dazzle. I'm not sure what that is, but that one's a little bit more, there's water flying off this thing. Dazzle, which is like, you know, just a little bit more intense, and then the last one says pulse, and you guys know what pulse is. So this is what it sounds like, and this is what it does. You can see the head moving. Like, this thing moves. It's not a spin brush, but it moves, and it gets my teeth really clean, and I really like it. And it's just kind of bougie because I could take it up, take the head off, and put it in there and keep it sanitized, because you do not leave your toothbrush like sitting up on top of the thing when people go in there, go boo boo and all this other stuff. Like, not on your toothbrush. So yeah, so I like this. I will see if I can find it on like Amazon or something, but they had a lot of these in stock at TJ Maxx, because the one my dentist was trying to sell me, it was like $150, I believe, and she kept like trying to say all this stuff about it, how great it was, and with the warranties and stuff. I don't need a warranty on my toothbrush, to BH. I really don't, because how long do you really keep a toothbrush? Like, honestly. So I didn't get that. So right after I left there, I just went to TJ Maxx. They did have the one that she recommended. It's like an Oral-B one, I believe. They did have that one there for $100, but I still wasn't paying that. So yeah, I got this one for $40, and I've been liking this. Okay, so the next thing that I got for my braces, well, I didn't purchase it. Kiana actually gave it to me because she wasn't using it. Is a Waterpik. So I was going to buy one of these from Amazon. This is where Kiana got hers from Amazon. They went about $30–40 from what I saw. But then I was thinking, I'm like, let me see if Kiana let me have hers, because she don't use it. I knew she wasn't using it. She always buys something and not using it, but it comes in handy for me. So I got this Waterpik, and I've been loving it for my braces because I hate flossing. I don't care. I don't like flossing. Don't like it. But this thing, so it was so funny. My first time using it, it was me, Kiana, and Tyler like standing at the bathroom, and I turned it on, and you would have thought I was getting electrocuted. Like, this thing legit attacked me, because I don't know how to use it. I didn't think it was going to be this powerful, but when I first started using it, I turned it on, and I was like, this, like, I wish we would have got it on camera. Like, it was the funniest thing ever. Like, when I say attacked me, like, this thing attacked me. So I know how to use it now. I believe you have to just close your mouth and, you know, go around the teeth and all that stuff. I like this. Only thing I don't like is that the water runs out really fast, because it shoots out so fast and so hard, so you have to keep on refilling it. I usually refill it twice while I'm using it. But yeah, I like this. It's a Waterpik. It works great for my braces, especially for me, because I don't like flossing. Like, I suggest, if you want to purchase one, you maybe watch a tutorial on YouTube first or something. Don't be like me, because I had water all over the mirror. It was all in my hair. My chest was wet, and I was just like, what the heck just happened? So don't be like me, watch a tutorial first. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up for my braces is something that one of my subscribers actually recommended, and is the Act Braces Care mouthwash. And this is what it looks like here. As you guys can see, I have been using this thing like crazy. I actually ended up picking up a new one yesterday because I'm about to run out, and I love this stuff. It's alcohol free, so it doesn't really have that burn that traditional braces, that traditional mouthwash has. Which I don't mind the burn, but you know, this one has like a little tingle, which is fine with me. Okay, so it says helps prevent white spots, helps loosens particles, soothes with aloe, and freshens breath. So she commented on one of my videos, and she said that she loved this for her braces. She just got hers off, and that it helps with the white spots. And for me, I don't want those white spots. I've seen people with those white spots on their teeth, and if she said this helped her, I'm like, listen, she got no reason to lie to me, okay? She don't work for Act, so I was like, I'm gonna get it. It's a little bit less than $5, a little bit more than I like to spend on mouthwash, but if it's going to help and it's going to make my teeth be bomb AF when I take it off, then I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So again, I've been loving this, which is why I picked up another bottle. Alright, so next is a toothpaste I've been using. Toothpaste is toothpaste to me, but I really like this toothpaste. I've been using the Colgate Max Fresh with Whitening Breath Strips. Yeah, so as you guys can see, this is the one that I'm currently using. I have probably about 2 uses left in here, if that. So I picked up another box, but I love this. It's blue. It doesn't really matter to me the color of the toothpaste. It's like that gel, because for a while I was using like a paste for my toothpaste, and the gel just seems like it's so much better. It feels so much better on my teeth too. So this leaves my breath smelling really good, and it leaves my teeth feeling really clean, especially with that toothbrush. Like the toothbrush and this together, listen, y'all gonna see me on Colgate commercials once I get these braces off, I'm telling y'all. And the last thing that I've been liking for my braces, I mentioned this in my first video, but I really like these, so I picked up 2 more packs. And it's just like these little brush things. I showed you guys in my last video. Let me open one. I showed you guys these in my last video. It's like a real little brush to get up in the teeth, because I noticed that like there's not that much space like down here to get under the brace. Like I can barely fit this under there, but or say it's up here. So I've really been liking these. When I eat, so much stuff gets stuck in my bottom braces for some reason. The top one's not so much, but the bottom, don't let me eat like, I love peanut butter and jelly. Whenever I eat that, just all of it's in my bottom braces. So I really like this, and I just take out my little handheld mirror and I just clean it out, and these are like a lifesaver for me. Again, I do get mine from Dollar Tree. And it's $1 pack, and you get 4, and you can reuse them. Like, I'm not one of those people who use it, have to throw it out. I'll use mine and then like rinse it off with like some water, and then I'll use it again later on that day. Like, it's not a big deal for me. But just keep a couple of them. Just you want to be sanitary with it. But I love these. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I have for my braces. It has been a great first month, and I can't wait to, you know, keep on updating you guys on what's going on with my braces. I will try to find links for everything that I mentioned in this video. And yeah, if you guys want to see some vlogs of me going to the orthodontist and getting like updates, and also getting like my braces tightened and all that, let me know, and I'll be sure to film when I do go to the orthodontist. I love talking to you guys about braces, so if you guys have any commentary, please leave them down below. And while you're here, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.